So now let's see how we can define pattern inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, my shape tool right here. So let's create a pattern out of the shape right here. And I'm going to go around and create like a star right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here and copy this layer out. So I'm just going to hold Alt on my keyboard and click and drag it right here so you can see this shape. I'm just going to go around over here and then merge the shapes right here and click and drag this around over here as well. And let me just go around, merge these shapes over here, just like this again. So let me just go around, click and drag around right here, click and drag around, and you can see that I have something like a pattern. Let me just merge this shape and click and drag around over here, click and drag around over here, just like this, and click and drag around, and you can see that I have a pattern going on right here. Let me just go around, merge these shapes over here as well, and click and drag around over here, click and drag around over here, just like this. And this is what you have as well. So I'm going to go around and click and drag around over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a defined pattern. So I want to make it into a custom pattern. So I'm going to go around onto edit and I'm going to go around and click on define pattern right here. So once I do that, you can see that I can rename out the pattern to however I like right here, just like this. And then what I can do is I can use the pattern brush to start drawing around with this pattern. So I'm going to go around and close this because I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to go to a blank file right here and press OK. So once I do that, I'm going to make a selection just like this. You can also do this without a selection, but I'm going to go around onto the pattern brush, the pattern stamp tool right here. And here you can see that the second option right here is the pattern stamp. I'm going to go around over here and then on the selection, you will be able to see the pattern that you made right here. So you can go around and start drawing around and the pattern will start to be drawn, as you can see. You can work around with the opacity of the pattern, as you can see, and the size of the pattern over here, just like this as well. But it does not actually affect out the pattern right here. Everything is drawn smoothly right here. So you can go around onto, let's say, for example, impressionist right here so that you can see that you can go around, make it a bit darker right here, just like this as well. And you can also work around with the a mode, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then define out pattern and then use the pattern brush to draw it inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.